to preside over today's occasion to formally hand over the Indigenous Knowledge Documentation and Digitization Project, graciously supported by Sports, Arts and Social Development Fund to the County Government of Kilifi. The project is in line with the Protection of Traditional Knowledge and Cultural Expressions Act 2016, which was also amended in 2018, whose focus is to document and digitize indigenous knowledge assets of all the communities in Kenya. My ministry, through the National Product Industry Initiative, a Kenya Vision 2030 flagship project located at the National Museum of Kenya, has piloted phase 1 of the Indigenous Knowledge Documentation and Digitization Project in 13 counties, namely Garissa, Kakamega, Kericho, Kilifi, where we are today, and now Kisii, Makueni, Marsabit, Murang'a, Siaya, Tharaka-Nithi, Turkana, and Vihiga. To date, the Indigenous Knowledge Documentation and Digitization Project has been rolled in 9 out of 13 counties. Today's function is a culmination of previous activities involving stakeholders sensitization, capacity building, and 30-day actual documentation and digitization of the indigenous knowledge asset of the people of Kilifi County. Ladies and gentlemen, this project has come up with an indigenous knowledge management system, one of its kind in the country and perhaps in the continent. It is worth noting that this system has been designed and developed by a Kenyan software engineers. The final product be an indigenous knowledge innovation bank that will comprise of the county digital registers interlinked at a national repository.